Hi guys, good afternoon. It's me again, Natureisland Vegan. Today we have a small DIY project. You ever have a problem with your toilet tank leaking due to a simple item that needs to change? So here is what I realized. On my floor there is water always at night, always dripping from over here. Okay, the water is always dripping from over here. So I guess the rubber seal is all worn out. So what we're going to do, we are going to change this pipe, this piece of thing here. Okay, it's all rusty up as well. So we're gonna turn this off and we're going to flush the toilet down. Make sure the tank is empty. All right, so we are going to replace it with, from your local hardware store you will get this replacement from the local hardware store. All right, anyone that you prefer. I don't want to give anybody any companies any props. All right, so from any local hardware store near you, it could be a mom and pop local hardware store as well. You're going to look for connectors, and these are the size we're going to use with this one here. We're going to take our little tool. The reason why we hold this is because we do not want to mess with the bottom section and end up screwing it off. Don't want to do that as well. You can see the gasket is in here, the black gasket. Then see the other one is in here. All right. So that is the end. So that's the end of the simple DIY for the toilet tank. Simple DIY, easy to do. Just remove and change one of the pipes. All right. See you next time on the next Nature Island Vegan DIY videos. Okay? Have a great day.